Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. So today I want to show you how to create what I call bubble lead for darkpsy or forest psytrance. I call it bubble. I think it because it reminds me some liquid bubble sounds, but anyways, I don't really know if there is any dictionary for Psytrance sounds, but you can call it anything also. So let's start inserting a MIDI track. Let's use operator. Operator is very good for leads, so I like to use it a lot for that. So let's start putting just a note for now. We want to get to try the sound first before of sequencing. So we have a sine wave here. Let's put release like in 1 millisecond for now, and let's hear. Okay, simple sine wave. So for this kind of sound, I want a richer harmonic, richer wave, so we can create our own waveform in here. I need more harmonics, maybe in here. I think in here. Here is nice. Here is also good, and maybe one in here. Yeah, to give that high end. Also in here, it sounds very good. Okay, it's more like bell sound or something like that. So what we can do now is to activate our LFO. For this sound I use a sawtooth up LFO. I used to put it in high rate mode and around 55% of amount. Let's not that rate, of course, and the rate around 30, 25, around that. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Maybe yes, just to have fun checking the waveform. Very interesting. So this is actually almost frequency modulation, but you can't do that kind of frequency modulation in here because you don't have that saw up waveform. You have saw, but it's not the same. You can try it. So I really like to use LFOs to create these richer leads. Can try different amounts too. I think this is too much. I think around 55. It's really cool. So second thing, activate our filter. We can use any filter type. My favorite for this kind of sound is the high pass. It's really nice. Also the band pass is really cool. but for now I will put in high pass. And let's play with the transpose also. Check if it's better low or high transpose. So what I feel is when I go down, you lose a lot of harmonics, even if you put the tone. So I will put actually even more high. It's really, really cool. Let's put, just to check here. Okay, I think when it's here, I don't want to hear like that kind of a high frequency sound, so we can cut that part, or at least most of that part. If you want to cut all of that, you can put like that, but actually you lose a lot of power too. So yeah, I think it's cool like that. Very cool. So let's hear with the sounds. I have a simple sound here with drums, kick and bass, some atmosphere. Of course it's missing something, right? So of course we're gonna put some delay and the reverb, of course. Let's put hybrids. Let's put this in ping pong just a little bit. Also this. Too atmospheric, too much atmospheric, I would say. Oops. Yes, pretty cool. So we are ready now to create our pattern. I'm gonna do it by the old way, of course, just creating with my pencil. Nowadays you have a lot of sequencers to do that, but this is the old-fashioned way, and I really like to use it too. Okay, so let's put like that, so we can preview our sequence. Just made it wrong. I prefer maybe something like that. Let's put 32 in here. Let's do like something. Increasing the length, and then put it to like that, like 16. Oopsie. So let's automate our frequency in here. Let's put I want to create my own, so let's put like that. Let's put something like that. Ableton Live allow you to do that, what is pretty cool. I don't want the low part of the envelope, so I can go up a little bit. Very nice. On this kind of sound, I like to have more voices. So what you can do is to put a chorus, which will fit very well. Something like that, but like this. Sounds very cool. So I hope you had fun, enjoyed this tutorial, and include in your productions, because it will sound very good. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for next tutorials, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Cheers. Bye bye.